Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of luxury yachts as we explore the captivating story of the Motor Yacht Force Blue. So, sit back, relax, and let's set sail on this incredible journey. The Force Blue, an epitome of elegance and grandeur, was built in the year 2019 by the renowned shipyard, Oceanco. With meticulous attention to detail and cutting-edge engineering, this magnificent vessel boasts an impressive length of 83 meters, 272 feet. Upon completion, the Force Blue found its first owner in an undisclosed billionaire who has a penchant for luxurious adventures on the high seas. This visionary individual sought to create the ultimate floating sanctuary, combining sophistication and comfort in one stunning masterpiece. In 2020, the Force Blue embarked on its inaugural voyage, capturing the imagination of yacht enthusiasts worldwide. The vessel's maiden journey was an awe-inspiring adventure, spanning various exotic destinations across the globe. The itinerary of the Force Blue is as diverse as it is awe-inspiring. From the azure waters of the Mediterranean to the sun-kissed shores of the Caribbean, this remarkable vessel has graced some of the world's most sought-after yachting destinations. Whether it's exploring the glamorous port of Saint-Tropez, indulging in the breathtaking beauty of the Amalfi Coast, or reveling in the vibrant atmosphere of St. Bart's, the Force Blue offers unrivaled luxury and comfort for its discerning guests. Its expansive decks provide a perfect sanctuary for relaxation and entertainment, offering panoramic views of the surrounding seascape. Equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, including a private helipad, a cinema, and a gym, the Force Blue ensures an unforgettable experience for all who step on board. And so, as the sun sets on our journey aboard the Force Blue, we bid farewell to this floating paradise. But the allure of the open sea, the thrill of exploration, and the promise of unforgettable adventures aboard this magnificent motor yacht will forever captivate the hearts of those who seek the ultimate luxury experience. Thank you for joining us on this virtual voyage. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories from the world of luxury yachts. Until next time, safe travels and smooth sailing.